Hi, this is an Oliver number 9 that I'm in the process of restoring. You can see it's kind of taken apart a little bit. I purchased it on eBay last week. When it arrived, it had gotten damaged in transit, and the right-hand tower was bent, must have landed hard on this right tower. The mainspring was busted. I fixed that. I reattached the draw cord. And then I worked on getting the frozen escapement working again. It was completely rusted and corroded, and I used Evaporust and PB Blaster to get the escapement moving again, and slowly but surely it came back to life. And so now the machine is almost there. It's the ribbon vibrator is very stiff. The carriage seems to be moving pretty well. However, when I type, the carriage doesn't advance. Now, it does have a repaired mainspring and a reattached draw cord, so it should be moving when I type, but it doesn't. So when I press, say, the space bar, I hit this kind of sticky resistance, and you'll notice the ribbon vibrator doesn't jump forward or return back. And same thing with the typing of letters. The ribbon vibrator doesn't seem to jump forward far enough or return back to a resting position. However, if I manually push the ribbon vibrator forward and return it to its resting position, then the carriage will advance like this. So okay, and the same thing with the space bar. If I move the ribbon vibrator forward and back, the carriage will advance. Okay, so I don't want to do that too much. So my question is this a dirty, gunky problem, or could there be a mechanical issue, some sort of mechanical obstruction that might interfere with this ribbon vibrator not moving forward far enough and returning back to a resting position? If you know, let me know.